The table below shows some values of the functions k and p, for which value of x is k of x minus p of x is equal x. So let's see what will be for x equals 1. For x equals 1, we have that k of 1 is equal what? Negative 2, and k of p, of course, of 1 is equal negative 5. So what will be? K of 1 minus, we have to go to this expression, minus p of 1 is equal what? We have to substitute k of 1 by negative 2 minus, we copy, p of 1 is negative 5. So this is equal negative 2, negative and negative give me positive 5, so this is equal 3. We got that k of 1 minus p of 1 is equal 3 and should be equal to the value x to 1. It's not true. So let's see what will be for x equals now 2. We have now that k of 2 is negative 1, p of 2 is negative 3. So what will be? K of 2 minus p of 2 is equal, k of 2 is negative 1 minus p of 2 is negative 3, so this is equal negative 1 plus 3, so this is equal 2. And we have that this is equal our x. X was 2. So we see that for x equals 2, k of x minus p of x is equal x. Let's see what will be for x. X equals 3. K of 3 is 2 and p of 3 is 2. So we have k of 3 minus p of 3 is equal, k of 3 is 2 minus p of 3 is 2 is 0. So we got different value than 3. So it's not correct. And the last example we have for x equals 4. What we have? K of 4 is equal 4 and p of 4 is equal 6. So k of 4 minus p of 4, it will be 4 minus 6. I just substitute k of 4 by 4 and p of 4 by 6. So this is equal negative 2. It's not 4. Should be equal to 4. Is different than 4. So we see that the only for x equals 2, we have that k of x minus p of x is equal to x. So our solution will be that for x equals 2, we have that k of x minus p of x is equal to x. This is my solution.